In what could be one of Europe's last big Holocaust trials, Oskar Groening, a 93-year-old former bookkeeper at Auschwitz, has told judges that morally he shares in the guilt of Nazi crimes, but said that the judges must decide if he is guilty under criminal law. Groening is accused by prosecutors of being an accessory in the murder of 300,000 people, though he was not involved in any actual killing at the notorious Nazi death camp. Groening was 21 and, by his own admission, an enthusiastic Nazi when he was sent to work at Auschwitz in 1942. After the hearing of the first day, Groening's lawyer gave this report. For Mr. Groening, of course, it was very stressful, which is normal for his age, but he has expressed himself as much as it was possible for him about his work in Auschwitz, and in particular he has emphasized that he feels morally guilty, standing in front of the victims repentant and humiliated, and that the court has to decide about the criminal conviction. Groening's lawyer argues his client's actions did not go far enough to make him an accessory to murder. But prosecutors have decided once again to make the case in the wake of the case of former Red Army soldier Ivan Demjanjuk, who in 2011 was convicted of being an accessory to mass murder, despite there being no evidence of him having committed a specific crime during his time as a guard at the Sobibor extermination camp. Groening testifies he is not playing the sick one. He is the same age as Demjanjuk, but he is not wearing a baseball cap and he is not laying in bed. And this is quite a positive signal for the further proceedings of this trial. The case goes to the heart of the question of whether people who were part of the Nazi machinery but did not actively participate in the killing are guilty of crimes. Until recently, the answer from the German justice system to that question was no.